Hi everyone. Well, I'm in my starter course or my course shell, the practice course shell, and I want to go through how you would add an assignment for someone to complete. And an assignment is a place where you can have them turn in Word documents, PowerPoint presentations that you can grade. So to do that, an assignment is considered an assessment in Blackboard. So instead of building content, I'm going to go to assessments and then I'm going to choose assignment. When I get there, I'm going to put in the description. It might be WK5 research paper. Okay, and then I'm going to put in the details, how long this assignment has to be. What do you expect the format to be? Is it going to follow APA? All those things about the assignment. What is the assignment about? So I'd fill in all of that information and please include the following. And then if you have an attachment, maybe you have a worksheet for them to fill out. Sometimes my assignment will be fill out the attached worksheet, and then I'll include the worksheet as an attachment. They can download it to their computer, fill it in, and then resubmit it via an assignment. For an assignment, I can do a due date. I can put in my points possible. Now this one's worth 20 points. I can add a rubric, and then there are some other options. So submission details, individual or group. Do we allow them more than one attempt? Then, do we want things checked for plagiarism using SafeAssign? Now what SafeAssign will do is it'll check whatever they submit against a database of documents, and that will allow you to see if anything was plagiarized. In addition, I can allow the students to view their SafeAssign originality report for their attempts. That's probably a good idea because then they can see and take care of issues. So that's another option. Do I want to exclude the submissions from the institutional and global references database? So in other words, do I want what they submit going into that database or not? So that's how you include SafeAssign in your assignment. Now I just checked it, so everything that gets submitted will run through SafeAssign. There are some grading options available. You can do anonymous grading, which means you'll be grading papers but not know who you're grading. And then display of grades, there's some options. So you can show the students what their grades are in My Grades. You can include it in the Grade Center calculation or not. I recommend doing that. Okay, we're going to make the assignment available. Like, you could limit the availability of it, and I'm going to submit it. So now there's my week 5 research paper. Now I'm going to turn edit mode off so you can see what this looks like. So the week 5 research paper, what's going to happen is if a student would submit it, they're going to see something different than you would. You know, we saw all the details. Now if they would click on it, you can see that they can write it. So if they write it, it opens a box and they can type it in. Or they can go to Browse My Computer, find the document, and then attach it. And then they can add comments, and they can submit it or save it as a draft. So I'm going to cancel because we're not going to get detailed into that. What happens is they submit it and then it'll appear in the Grade Center for you. And that way you don't have them emailing big files to you, you don't lose track of anything. So my suggestion is anything you want submitted, create an assignment and insist that they submit it through Blackboard so you don't lose things. Anyhow, that's how you create an assignment. Hope that helps.